Hello everybody, what's going on? It is Red River Aviation here, back for the first video with professional editing and an intro and an outro. I hope you guys enjoyed that intro. Any tips on how I can improve my channel, you can let me know in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and the bell. But today's video will be having an American Airlines Boeing 737-800 takeoff and landing from Chicago to Tulsa. We'll have another one of these coming up here in about episode 10 of this. And then until I fly again, the series will go out of the schedule. But I have a good amount of videos right now to do it. So, or another option is I could get the previous or upload some past ones, which is an option if I can. I have a fair amount. I don't have many anymore. I have some problems with my phone. Well, I have a couple. So, anyways, back to the main story of today. So, yeah, that we'll have that takeoff and landing video, and also, or here's a picture of the plane. Thanks to Beam5192, I believe is his username on Instagram, for taking that picture on the ramp. I'm just gonna get his name right, make sure I don't mess up anything up. Yes, it's Beam5192. The picture should have already went. Sorry for this long intro, but there's an amazing sunset landing in Tulsa, so make sure to stick around or at least skip to it. It's worth watching. Thank you guys so much for giving me time yesterday to get this intro and outro in this video. I didn't upload the FSX full flight, but there will be one that's coming Saturday. And the giveaway, make sure to go enter in that card right now, and it'll be at the end of the video if you'd like to check it out. Live stream tonight, make sure to tune in. And except for that, yeah, guys, so enjoy the video. Sorry for the long intro. We're going to get started. Go.